by the sound of their voice. If you hear a secret from a friend at midnight, you'll know that friend when he speaks to you at dawn. And if two people bring news to you in the night, you'll recognize them both in the daylight by the way they speak. If during the dark of the night the sound of a lion and the sound of a dog enters someone's ear, and he could not see them in the dark, when the day breaks and they begin to speak again, the intelligent hearer will know them by their voice. And so it is that both the devil and the angelic spirit present us with objects of desire to awaken our power of choice. There is an invisible strength within us. When it recognizes two opposing objects of desire, it grows stronger. It grows stronger.